This tutorial is how to add students to your Edublog, student blogs. So you're going to need to be on your dashboard, and if you hover over users, you'll see blog user and creator. There are 3 tabs here, and this is where it gets tricky. Sometimes I make a mistake and just add a new user to my blog and don't create their own blog. You need to be on the tab Create Blogs. If you slide down, these are the settings that you want to keep. You want the role for your new users on their blog to be an administrator. You want their role on your blog to be a subscriber. And you want your role on their blog to also be an administrator. The next part is pretty straightforward. You can add blogs in sets of 5. You can click the Add More button if you want to add more, but I like to do them in sets of 5. I'll slide up here, and the first thing you need to do is type in the username, and the username for this class is going to be Explorers. So Explorer Haley is the username, and the user email is going to be this teacher's email, and in this case it's Mrs. Ellingson's class, and their email is explorers4, and this is where I'm going to use the Google trick, and I'm going to say plus Haley. So her Gmail account is explorers4, but I'm going to say plus Haley at gmail.com. The password is going to be the student's last name. And the blog URL, this is tricky for some because it says right here, the only thing you need to do for that is to redo your username. So I'm going to copy and paste the username. It will add the rest of it to it. And then finally the title, Haley's blog. I'm not going to add any more right now for this. When I am done doing them all, I click the submit button, and this gray bar tells me my progress, and it tells me that I have 1 blog successfully created. If you do not successfully create all of the blogs, the ones that are not completed will be still here, so you can take a look and see what was wrong with it. Okay. Now if I want to see the blogs that I have created, I go up here to My Sites. And now Mrs. Ellingson's blog is here, and Haley's blog is now here. And as you add more, your blogs will be there under the My Sites tab.